Hi everyone, my name is Melinda and I'm a copywriter here on Team Biddy, and today I'm so excited to introduce you to our brand new Biddy Tarot Deck. And this has been in the works for months and months, and this is actually my very first time looking at the deck myself in person after seeing pictures of it, after writing about it, writing for it for the past several months. So this is really exciting and I'm so excited to share it with you. So just to take a look at it, first of all, this box is really sturdy. It's a great little keepsake box to keep your cards in when you're not actually using it. And then the back description says, experience the new generation of tarot and connect with the intuitive messages of the cards. Classic tarot symbolism meets a fresh, relatable, and inclusive style. Brought to you by Biddy Tarot, the #1 trusted online tarot source. This deck is designed for readers of all levels. So we really designed this deck to be used by beginners and professionals alike and everyone in between. Our mission at Biddy Tarot is to bring tarot into the mainstream and have everyone be able to see themselves in and relate to the cards and use tarot for self-reflection. And our goal with this deck was to bring the classic Rider-Waite tarot symbolism into the modern day with more inclusive and relatable imagery. So we worked really hard to create something that was familiar yet fresh and fun for all types of tarot journeys. So I just opened this box, and on the inside it says, tarot is the storybook of our life, the mirror to our soul, and the key to our inner wisdom. Bridget Esselmont, who's the founder of Biddy Tarot. And if you look in the back, I really love this image of the High Priestess in the background. It's a beautiful little image there. So that's the top of the box. And then when you open it, the first thing you see is this guidebook, which also has an image of the High Priestess on it. And this guidebook has all of the meanings of all 78 cards in it. And you'll see, for example, the Fool. So you have the upright keywords, the reverse keywords, and then after that you have the general meaning of the card a little bit, just a few sentences long. And then at the bottom, I love this, we have this journal prompt. So for the Fool, for example, the Fool means beginnings, innocence, spontaneity, free spirit. Whereas reversed, it means like foolishness, naivety, recklessness, recklessness, risk-taking, and then new beginnings, opportunities, and potential. If you've been watching for a sign, this is it. Take that leap of faith, even if you don't feel 100% ready. And then that journal prompt helps you dig deeper into the card. What new beginnings are available to you right now? So it's just a great little keyword list and refresher for what each card means. And for more in-depth meanings, you can go to biddytarot.com. But this is a great start to just really learn all of the basic meanings of the cards and to help you reflect a little bit deeper with those journal prompts for each one. So that's the guidebook. And then when you open up the deck, there is a card on top that's an illustration of the star card. I love this. I think it's a great little thing that you can put on your fridge or in your workspace or somewhere, or on a tarot card holder if you want to, just as a little gift there. And then on the back it says, thank you, we appreciate you. This tarot deck is infused with loving intention to help you connect to your inner wisdom. We hope it brings you peace and clarity on your path. Always remember, anything is possible when the magic flows around you. So I love that sentiment. And then we have this QR code that you can scan for a free gift. So that's also fun. And then finally, we get into the actual deck. So, ooh, look at this gilded edge. So I have probably close to 20 tarot card decks, and I don't have one with a gilded edge yet, but now I do, and it's purple, and she's beautiful. Look at that. Yes, so let's give it a shuffle, see how it looks. Let me shuffle it. Oh yeah, really catches the light well. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I love it. It just has this nice little flash of purple when you're shuffling that just makes it even more magical. Also, it's a matte finish. As I'm shuffling it in my hands, it feels really nice. Very smooth shuffle. Also, these cards are very sturdy. I know it's kind of hard to tell with the video, but they are flexible, but also I feel like these are going to last a really long time. It feels like very good quality card stock. I know sometimes when you get cards, some decks are like a little bit flimsy, but these feel very sturdy. So that's awesome. So yeah, I'm just going to shuffle and just show you guys some of the cards that are in here. What I love about this deck is that we've used all kinds of skin tones throughout the major and minor arcana. So it's very inclusive. It's very diverse, which I love. And also each of the suits have their own color, like color palette. So for swords, for example, you have this sort of teal aquamarine color, and you'll notice that this looks very similar to the Rider-Waite pack. So we try to stay very true to the symbolism in the original Rider-Waite deck, while also just refreshing it and bringing it up to date, making it look a little bit different artistically, something that more of us can relate to. So like I said, there's a variety of skin tones there. We have the swords, which is aquamarine. Let's see if I can find a different suit. So pentacles here is going to be purple for like royalty, royalty and, you know, money matters. Let's see if we can find, here's another pentacles, purple. Let's find some swords if we can. Oh, here's cups. So cups are more of a dark blue color for that watery realm of intuition and feeling. Yeah, that's beautiful. And I love that these hand-drawn images. Our artist did a great job on these. And let's see, swords. All right, we've got swords, we've got pentacles, we showed you cups. How about wands? Oh yeah, wands are purple. This other deep purple, a mix of purple and blue. Yes, another swords. So these cards are great for learning from if you're a beginner, but also for professionals as well, if you've been doing this for a long time. I think sometimes you just really vibe with a deck, even if it's, you know, similar symbolism. Like a lot of decks are based on Rider-Waite, and this one I think has a very gentle, very nurturing, kind tone to it. Also, I feel like you can really, there's a lot of opportunities to see yourself in these cards, whereas some other decks might not feel as like relatable. I think these cards are very relatable and very easy to sort of, you know, make your own interpretations while also learning the symbolism of the cards. So let's get into some of the major arcana. We have the Magician here. As you can see, all the symbolism from Rider-Waite, like cups, pentacles, and sword and wand on the table. All of the elements are there. It's just a little bit of a different style, and of course with a different skin tone. Got the Fool with his little dog, classic, his little knapsack and flower. They just make me happy to look at. I think they're just like very fun, very sweet. Even the swords, which can sometimes be a little gnarly, these feel good. Got the Emperor here. And each card, as you can see at the bottom, it has the name of the card, and then it's got the number on top. Got the Chariot, the Lovers. Beautiful. So yeah, that's just a basic look at all the cards, all the suits, beautiful edge, and I'll just pull a card and we'll go ahead and do a quick little reading here just to see what the card deck has to say. Do a quick shuffle because I know they're not exactly perfectly shuffled, so we'll do that real quick. Oh yeah, they feel good to shuffle. And this gilded edge is just super, ooh, I love how flashy it is. All right, do these. All right, let's pull a card. Ooh, Knight of Cups. Beautiful. And at the top it says KN for Knight, so easily distinguishable in the deck. Love those colors, love the blues, the water. Let's see what the booklet has to say about Knight of Cups. So I'm gonna flip to the Cups section. So it is broken up by major and minor arcana, of course. Knight of Cups. Upright. Romance, charm, knight in shining armor, imagination. Reversed, unrealistic, jealousy, moodiness. Luckily, this was right side up. So actively pursuing a creative project or romance on a mission for peace and beauty. Charm and romance abound. How can you give and receive love and harmony? Oh, what a great message for a first card pull. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole deck. I hope you love it as much as we do. This is really exciting to hold in my hands. And again, check out that gilded edge. It's pretty nice. So iridescent, I love it. So yes, that is the Biddy Tarot deck, and I hope you all enjoyed giving it a first look with me. And if you love it, go ahead to biddytarot.com and order your copy now. Thanks.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.